Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're diving into a common question in API testing. What's the actual difference between put and patch? At first glance, they might look similar because both are used to update data on the server. But their purpose and behavior are quite different, and understanding this can really help avoid unintended issues while testing or developing APIs. Let's start with put. You can think of a put request like replacing a whole document. When you send a put request to update a resource, you're telling the server to replace the entire resource with the new one you provide. That means if your original user data has a name, email, and age, and you send a POT request with just the name and email, the age field might get erased because you didn't include it in the new version. So in short, POT is used for full updates. Now let's talk about patch. Patch is used for partial updates. Instead of sending the whole resource, you only send the fields you want to update. For example, if you just want to update the email address, you can send a patch request with only the email field, and the rest of the resource stays exactly the same. This makes patch more efficient and safer when you're only changing a small part of the data. So, how do you decide which one to use? Use put when you're updating or replacing the entire object, and use patch when you only want to modify certain fields. Also, always check the API documentation because behavior might vary slightly depending on how the backend is implemented. And here's a quick tip for testers. When using tools like Postman or writing automation scripts, be cautious with put requests. If you accidentally leave out required fields, you might end up overwriting or deleting important data. Always validate the structure before sending the request. That's it for today's video. I hope this cleared up the difference between put and patch in API testing. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more testing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.